experience in extraction with you. We hope you enjoy this tutorial. Fumes, gases and particles are emitted during welding, cutting and other similar processes. It is crucial that the air around work areas is kept clean. This helps protect the environment and, above all, the health and safety of people working in the area. Air purity levels are also governed by legal regulations. In 2014, the threshold for dust was cut by more than half to 1.25 milligrams per cubic meter in Germany's technical regulations for hazardous substances. In this tutorial, we are using the mobile max-fill unit from the company Kemper. When setting up your workstation, make sure that the extraction hood is positioned at an angle, approximately 25 centimeters or 10 inches above the welding point. This is the ideal position to capture the maximum amount of welding fumes. If you move the extraction hood any closer to the workpiece, it may also capture shielding gases, and this could reduce the quality of the final weld result. Before you start welding, turn the extraction unit on. During the welding process, make sure that you move the extraction hood step by step with you as you work to ensure you have optimum protection at all times. In this tutorial, we are using a closed filter system. This means that you do not have to wear a protective mask when changing the filter. Regardless of the system you're using, however, make sure you also observe the relevant safety precautions when disposing of the filter. In some environments, it may not be possible to use technical safety equipment such as ventilators and extraction units, or you may require more protection than these systems can provide. In these cases, you will need an alternative form of respiratory protection, such as an air-fed helmet with a protective shield. Watch our tutorial on auto-darkening welding helmets for further information here. We hope that you have learned some useful tips about extracting welding fumes in this tutorial. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions.